Welcome to igmGuru. igmGuru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
Coming to your SSL. When we are sending data to any server, right? So we use SSL protocol because it's the HTTPS. So whenever
Yep.
we use HTTPS, then it means that that particular website has purchased one SSL certificate and it
Yep.
has become a secured. So the
Yep.
moment you have a secured website, what happens here? So generally when you say uh, you are here, your browser, and you are talking to ICICIbank.com. It's a secured site,
Yep.
right? So
Yep.
in the initial handshake, this certificate, SSL certificate is downloaded here in case
Mm.
if it is not cached. The browser will try to validate this certificate from
Mm-hmm.
the certification
So,
authority.
yeah.
Is your certificate I received from this website, is this valid? And this guy
Yeah.
will trust this verify करके it will trust and then it will start communicating with the ICICI bank in a SSL.
Mm.
So यहाँ पे एक once you get a channel here, tunnel, a security tunnel is created and जो भी data you are sending here, that data will be encrypted. So anyone who is trying to intercept in between, because whenever we are connecting to any web server, there are multiple routers we are going through. Right? So these are the routers, but anyone intercept that data in between if it is a plain text. Plain text means what? No security. So we don't
Yeah.
want a plain text. By default, your Kafka is not secured. It is not secured. It is plain text. So anyone can intercept data and it can fetch the credentials or some important data there. So how to
Mm-hmm.
do this? Hmm.
Mm.
Okay. So if someone has a website, he
Mm-hmm.
would like to secure that.
Yeah.
So maybe there are some portals like there are a lot of companies like a GoDaddy and all those kind of things who give you domain name and
Mm.
hosting websites and all those kind, right? So
Yeah.
they are the one who can give you SSL certificate, right? So instead of buying this, you can have your own certificate authority.
Yeah.
So सबसे पहला you need to set up your certificate authority and then to in order to there are two things now, server side and client side. Okay, since someone is trying to, I need to get the certificate, right? Whenever we are creating the secured key, there are two things, a private key and then public key.
Public.
Okay, so public key will be shared with the clients,
Mm.
whoever is trying to produce the data to the Kafka cluster, or consumer consume the data from the Kafka cluster. So because we know what is our public key, we are not sharing that with the client, sorry, private key, but it's a combination of private and public key.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see here, so we are creating a key store where we are going to keep all certificates. So we are going to
Mm-hmm.
create a key store जहाँ पे server CRT request and signed by CA, and at the client end we create a trust store. This guy has to trust the store here. So first of all, we'll create a certificate authority. This part, green button. So here we are creating some folder, create a folder, cd SSL, open SSL, create a new key with the algorithm RSA 4096 bit encrypted key.
Mm.
And this key will be valid for 365 days with some standard, protocols, X509, and this common name is Kafka Security CA. We are just giving a name to this CA basically, right? Okay.
Okay.
So CS key is basically your private key and CS cert is your public key here. Okay. The certificate acts as your root CS certificate. So you need to have your own setup. You need to have certain things here, right? This certificate will be used to verify incoming certificates.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So actually this topic requires full 100% hands-on. Actually it's more but okay. So all this complete description is given here. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we are
Mhm.
creating a broker certificate. So
Yeah.
now we are coming to the broker side. Broker side, we are creating a key store. We are
Mm.
creating a key store, generate key store, and so Kafka server key store JKS, Java key store. We are creating a key store. This key
Mhm.
store will be valid for 365 days. एक कोई तो भी पासवर्ड रहेगा आपका. This password will be used to open the certificates, understand the certificates.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, so dename, like, so what is the name of this machine? So let's call it localhost, or you can call it broker 1, broker 2, broker 3, right? And some what protocols you want to use here. Okay. So key tool, Java tool to manage keys and certificates.
Yeah.
Okay. And generate a new key where you key pair public and private and wraps it in a certificate. Okay. So you can go through this. Create a certificate request. So we are done with this part. We are done with this creating a key here.
Mhm.
Now we'll try to send, right? We'll create a certification request to be signed by the CA. So again,
Okay.
we are using key tool here. And where is that key which is created now here? It is in a key store, right? So
Yeah.
key store, and this is the name we had given here. Kafka server key store JKS. So ye name we are referring. And then certificate request. The file is cert file. This is
Mm.
what we are sending there, right? So
Okay.
we'll use this and we'll be creating a certificate request. The output here is basically a file cert file.
Okay.
This command creates the CSR, your certification signing request based on the private key in the key store. Okay,
Okay.
so here it will create a signing request in the key store. But in order to create a SSL certificate, so we'll use this private, so this command create a certificate signing request based on the private key in your key store. There are two keys, private and public. इसको लेके it will send a request to the CA. That plain request का एक
Mm.
file बनेगा, and that file will send it to the CA to approve that, and then we'll get a proper signed certificate.
Got it.
Okay.
Yep.
So
Yep.
like this. So here, so the CSR can then send to the CA, uh, or use with own self CA to sign and generate a valid
Valid.
certificate. And
Mhm.
so we'll create a trust store now here. But in
Yep.
order to use that, we need to create a trust store and we'll import some keys here from
Yep.
your key store. Right? And then we are done with the broker part.
Yep.
Okay.
Mhm.
And once you are done with the broker part, then you need to make some changes in your server.properties, if you remember. In the first session, right? First or second, we saw so what are
Yes.
the
Yeah. We
properties
saw
we
that.
need to change? Right?
Mm.
Listener is equal to plain text 9092. So this
Mm.
is for a plain text, no security. Now we'll add one more port 9095 for SSL.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
So ये सब changes आएगा and some other parameters will come here कि आपका because internally server will use this key store to open the certificate, read it, make sure it is valid, and then we
Mhm.
can restart our broker.
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.